What up, YouTube? I'm back with another banger. As you know what the title says, yes, today we are installing the Z1 Motorsports intakes on the 370Z. We're gonna make this bitch go so fast, so clean. So right now, I'm just deciding if I really wanna take off the front bumper, because this front bumper, it is a pain to take off. I think I got like 3 screws right here and like 2 screws over here in this corner that are pretty hard to put back on. If I took off this bumper, it'll take me probably 2 hours trying to put it back on. That's how exactly precise these 2 screws have to be. I believe this one, yeah, you hear that? That one is loose. So I want to see if I could just squeeze the filters in here. More than likely not. I know I could squeeze this one, but this one might be a little bit more challenging for me. Yeah, also that doesn't really work that well. We're gonna try to fix this, try to figure it out. I know this side is gonna be a breeze. This is the side that I got hit on the other Z, the blue, it was a silver Z. I'll throw some pictures up of the Z that I got the intakes from. As you saw, looked pretty messed up. Beautiful Z, but looked messed up. So this side I'm not worried about. This side, this intake side, fine. I mean, it's broken. This is the one with a dent, but it's okay for me. This side might be a little bit more challenging, only because you have the oil intercooler lines leading to the oil intercooler. But right now, the first thing we're gonna do is take off this. So I'll be back with you when I take it off. All right, everyone, the brace is basically off. All I gotta do is pull it up. As you see, pull it up from this angle. Actually, I might have to use both hands to pull this. Yeah, I might have to use 2 hands to pull it. But you get the point. It's already off. So let me just take this off and I get back to you. All right, engine brace is off. As you see, pretty nice. You really can't complain. Fucking sexy, man. As you see, I hope it fixes the car. I really do. Next thing I'm gonna get for the Z is the coils, because I really do want some coils. I want to go lower, but right now we're gonna focus on this project today. All right, everyone. Once you get the intake out, just take out the O2 sensor from over here. If you're having trouble taking that thing out, the OEM airbox, all you gotta do is really pull on it, because it's stuck in these 2 things. Just pull on it as hard as you can. Overall, look at that space already. Those intakes are gonna free up so much space. This is the next one. So yeah, I'm gonna install the new one now, the new O2 sensor. That one goes for this one right here, and we're gonna mock it up. We're gonna start, installing it, mocking it up. All right, everyone. As you can see, this intake is out. They're both right there. I just installed both of the sensors, as you can see. So now I'm gonna take off this PVC valve, which is crazy what they did, man. It's just crazy that they just put that shit back on and left it like that. Look how much grime there is on that one. I hope this fixes my my little gas problem, because I'm pretty sure this car is tuned either on 2.5 intakes or 3-inch intakes. But we're gonna clean it up, make it all look pretty without taking this front bumper off. The goal is to install this without taking this off. So I'm gonna get started installing them right now. Well, everyone, here's the mock-up. Check it out. Outside is good. Looks so clean. So that light blue pops to the blue. So I do got some bad news. Bad news. I have no idea how I'm gonna take this bumper off. I have to take the bumper off in order to put the intakes. I really don't want to do this. This bumper is so difficult to take off. I might have to literally, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, to be honest. I got jack stands, don't worry, that's easy, but putting it back on is the hard part. I think last time I put the bumper back on, I did not take the tires off. So I might have to take all the tires off for the front. Put back this tire on the Z. Put the chocks up and jack up the Z on the front to take off the front bumper. It's the only way that I feasibly can do it, because the bumper is not that hard to put. Well, it is pretty hard to put on. It's just pretty difficult to put back on. Easy to take off, hard to put back on. But the inspiration I have to work on cars today is pretty high, and I really do want to work on my baby, and I do want to drive it today with the new intakes, do a couple pulls. So no matter what, I am going to take this car off. I'll probably just run it without the front bumper and come back. Alright everyone, as you see, I jacked up the car. I got some jack stands. The tires put back on this side. Oh, my hat's right there. Here's the other jack stand. We're gonna see if I could squeeze my little hands in there, but I don't think it's gonna work. We'll see. This supposedly is designed for the 370. I saw a Z with it, so I hope it works. I really do. I really hope it fits. I literally saw a Z with this on. I'm thinking the intakes are literally gonna be like, oh no, how am I? Oh my god, I actually had to take off the front bumper to put this on. Crap. There's no way to me squeezing this in there. I actually had to take off the front bumper. That is crazy. I'm probably get my dad to help me take off the front bumper. It is not fun taking this thing off. It is a bitch. Yes, I said it. A bitch to take this thing off. But we have to prevail. We have to move on. We're gonna take the front bumper off. Something I might hate to do. And I think this is also messed up. Oh, it's not messed up. Oh, cool, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna do this. Take out the front bumper. We'll be back with you when I take half of it off, but I'm gonna start taking everything off. All right, everyone. As you see, the bumper is basically off. I just have these two screws right here and one support right there in the corner, right there, and then the whole thing comes off. I'm probably gonna get my dad to help me take this bitch off because it is super difficult. Took me a minute. Like, I think this screw took me like literally a minute to take off. A minute. That's how tight it was. A minute. A whole minute of my life. Crazy. But oh crap, I just knocked over the bucket. Alright, we're back. So yeah, just those two screws that I'm gonna freaking do. And then the intake should be on. And I'm gonna be driving this baby. Let it sit for a while. Let it, let the ECU rethink itself, because the car is tuned. I'm gonna say it was tuned on maybe 2.5 intakes, because 3-inch intake is kind of expensive. But I might be wrong, because those GTR injectors do push a lot of CCs. But overall, it's gonna be better than the OEM intakes. So I'm gonna get to it, and I'll be back with you when the front bumper is off. Everyone, there we go. Front bumper is off, and here's my workspace. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we'll figure it out. So you see the crash support, and then I believe we just put the intakes in here. I might have to take this off. Yeah, I might have to take this thing off right here. We just used it for the front bumper. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright, everyone, here's the final result. Check it out. It is beautiful on this car. Oh my god. So everything is still loosened. I still gotta connect the connectors, but holy crap. Also, for some reason the shop had this on here, so I might put it back. Maybe it's like some reinforcement or something that they did. But yeah, overall it looks so cool, so clean. I really do like it. I'm gonna bolt everything back up and get back to you. Alright everyone, I'm gonna start the car now. Everything's bolted up. I bolted back the radiator fan because it was loose. So let's go check it out. Alright, we're gonna turn the car on. Oh, you hear that? It sounds way better. What? Alright everyone, I have it on. The engine still is misfiring, but it does sound pretty nice. I think I have an exhaust leak, so I'm gonna go under the car and look for the exhaust leak right now. But other than that, it looks super clean. Engine sounds nice, healthy. So we're gonna go check the exhaust leak out, and then we're gonna drive this baby. Alright everyone, so I found out my exhaust leak. It is my flex pipe. The flex pipe right here is leaking. That's why you hear that chopping noise. And the carbon monoxide. So I'm gonna get a new Y pipe. I think I'm gonna get an ISR Y pipe or a Tolman Y pipe. Might get a Tolman Y pipe, to be honest. I want high quality parts, and ISR is pretty good, but I'm gonna try to cop a Tolman Y pipe. Overall, I'm gonna jack the car up and take it for a drive. Alright everyone, as you see, everything is installed. As you can see, the intakes look so clean right now. Front bumper's installed. Didn't take that long. Probably took like 15 minutes to install. Everything's installed. I think I'm gonna put a lug in that. Nah, I'm not gonna put no lug in that. I'm just gonna tighten that tight. And overall, looks pretty good. We're gonna go drive it. I'm gonna move the Jeep, take the Z out for a bit, and do a couple pulls. See how I like the intakes. And yeah, we'll be with you in a minute. Yo, my brother really just crashed into the Jeep. There is no way that he just did that. This is right after the Z's over there. This is right after he literally whiskey throttled the gas pedal and hit the car. Look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Thank God the Jeep is not damaged. I mean, this part is bent right here. The light is kind of destroyed. This is a total loss right here. There's no fixing that. He's gone.